Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of data you have to manage daily? Data blending in Dataslayer can be your lifesaver. It allows you to combine data from different sources into one place without the need for complex coding. Three big reasons why you should use data blending. Imagine pulling data from Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and LinkedIn all at once. With data blending, you can do this in minutes instead of hours. See the full picture of your marketing efforts by combining data from various platforms into a single, comprehensive report. Reduce manual errors by automating data integration, ensuring your reports are always accurate and up to date. Make your data work for you. Try data blending in Dataslayer and take your marketing campaigns to the next level. Dataslayer, your ally in data management.